Welcome to DJM TV.
I greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV. Make sure not forget to follow us, like, share, subscribe. And today news, not be news again. Say many people now they come out to complain concerning flight tickets. Oh, as they claim say distance where they go when not too far, they go they put high price. Now very dark man don't come out to talk for inside the matter. Also where they rest or if they not fit afford them, make them travel by road. Because if he afford them, even if they put the money to 1 million, if he afford them. Many people reason say wetin make am talk this matter na because when he go China, when he go dey buy goods so that he go dey sell for cheaper price, people talk say why go dey spoil other people business. Now he don come out to tell other people now wey dey complain about flight tickets say make dem no spoil other people business.
When I was leaving Abuja 2 days ago to Adamawa State, the flight was 300,000 naira. From Abuja to Adamawa. When I got to Adamawa, from Adamawa back to Abuja, because there was no straight flight from Adamawa to Lagos. From Adamawa back to Abuja was about 300,000 as well. So I used that same flight. I had to wait on the plane. Then I used that same flight to come to Lagos, which is about 280k. So you see, from Abuja to Adamawa, 300 back, that's 600, then 280,000 naira to get to Lagos. Now, from Lagos, if I want to go to Abuja now, it will be about 300k or 280k. I've noticed that a lot of people on social media are complaining because of the hike in price for flights. You understand? Now, here's the thing I've noticed again. Most of you that are complaining, you people just want to spoil the business of these airline people. You want to bring them down. That's what you people want to do. You want to bring them down. It is their business. If they decide to hike the price, they can hike the price. If you are not pleased with their price, go and buy your own airplane or start your own air business. Stop trying to bring people down if they increase prices of things. Stop trying to bring people down. Stop trying to bring people down because you cannot afford it. That's why you are talking negative about their business. We can afford it. Me, even if they decide to take it to 1 million, I will afford it. I will pay. Some of you that cannot pay, you will use road to transport. You people are bad people. You want to bring their business down. What did they ever do to you? All you know how to do is to bring business people down. All you know how to do now is to bring business people down. That's what you people are known for, spoiling businesses here and there. Stop trying to bring people's business down.
Like and share this video. Until we come your way again with another Ogbonge Tori, make una do it to stay safe for una. DJ